welcome back to another video. Join me today in my living room where I have set up my new beverage cart. I've been wanting to get one for some time now, and finally a few weeks ago I got this one. Now it's a rose gold round cart with 2 tiers. I like the simple lines that I think will be easy to keep dust free. I like these little additions to the home that I feel makes it so much more cozy and functional for the family. I have a mixture of gold and rose gold in my living room with some crystal pieces, so I decided to extend the same theme to this side and to the cart. The one thing that I want to point out for those of you who are new to our home is that the dining, the kitchen, the private entrance are all on the ground floor, while our living room and another entrance from the road is on the first floor along with our garage. So, not having a kitchen here can be a bit tricky. In order to avoid going up and down fetching stuff, I feel like having a beverage cart with some essentials makes more sense. I got a few things from around the house and a few more, so I can set up this cart for guests and for ourselves during games night, movie night, or just chit-chat time. For the top tier, I'm going to start with a statement piece, and that would be a high bouquet of flowers. I am using a crystal vase to add variety to the other rose gold accessories, and I feel this combo of clear crystal and rose gold will be less busy and more pleasing to the eye. Along with the flowers, I'm also adding a crystal decanter, which I have had for a long time. And I'm also adding an acrylic ice bucket, which we fill each time we need to. And it comes with a pair of matching tongs. Now on this side, I have 4 of these gorgeous long stem goblets, which I got online, and I will leave you a link to it in the description box below. I really love these. They are really nice to look at. They have a good weight, and it's really good for things like hot apple cider. On the bottom shelf, I have added in a few bottles of drinks, accessories, and more glasses. Now, since this cart comes with bottle holders, I'm adding 3 bottles to it. We have an alcohol-free home, so we have sparkling juices instead, and we do love making mocktails. I'm going to share a recipe with you after we set up the cart. I also have added another theme piece, which is this rose gold and crystal stand. And instead of a candle, I have added a green fern bowl. I think this piece I already had from a recent purchase, which is both crystal and rose gold, is absolutely perfect for this spot. And in addition to the goblets, I also have these plastic glasses. These are also very practical as they are lightweight. And to be honest, we do reuse these glasses after washing as we try to be environmental friendly. I'm adding some straws for those who prefer and a small measure for syrups and such. And to complete the setup, I have added a small plate in grey to tie in with the curtains in the background. And the trolley itself fits quite perfectly in this space between the TV cabinet and the wall. While we're here, I want to mention that we added this older cabinet from my mom's chamber into the living room. Since it's from the same set as many other pieces in this room, it goes well, and I'm thinking about what I want to use the cabinet for, because if it's empty, it's going to become a catch-all, so I'm going to be very careful of that. Now, the TV is a little low and needs to be raised. The rest of the room is also slightly different because we changed the rug and the layout. I will give you a more detailed tour when it's completed. And now back to the beverage. I'm going to make a simple mocktail, which we all love in the house. For this, you're going to need a few glasses, tall or short, both work. Fill the bottom with a few grapes, 2 wedges of lemon or lime. You can use one of each, or you can pick either one, and then just add some mint. Muddle all the contents and then top it with sparkling grape juice. Add a grape, a piece of lemon or lime, and a sprig of mint to garnish, and there you have it. It's absolutely delicious, chilled. And using a straw is cute because it also helps to pick up the muddled fruit. This cart will work spring through winter with just some small seasonal changes along the way. I truly hope you have enjoyed this short video, and this is Raveena wishing you happy homemaking.